scope and content of QMS. Here in the scope and content, you can discuss design process, conformance to design, which is specification as well, responsibility and reliability in process testing and final testing as well, right? And documentation, audit activity, training activity, facilities and equipment, suppliers and contractors. I'll explain you all these things one by one, right? And process as well. Okay, first of all, what is scope and content?
Are you asking me?
No, I just spoke this
Oh, okay.
question, right?
Okay.
Then I'll explain you in my own words.
Okay.
Okay. Scope and content mean, first of all, I will let you know what is scope and content, then I will let you know these all options one by one we will discuss, right? So scope and the scope of a quality management system defines the boundaries and applicability, right? Like is it applicable or not? So it will let you know define the boundaries and applicability of quality practices within an organization, covering all relevant processes and foundations. The content includes quality policies, objectives, procedures, documentations, and controls necessary to ensure consistent product or service quality. It focuses on maintaining compliance, achieving customer satisfaction, and driving continuous improvements as well. It's all about scope and content, right? You understand?
Yes. Sorry, I was on mute.
Okay. Next, how about design process? Design process means in the scope and content of a QMS, the design process involves defining and documenting procedures for developing and refining products or services, right? And this includes establishing criteria for design inputs, processes for development and review, and controls to ensure that the design meets quality standards, the customer requirements, right? And the customer requirements, because the goal is to ensure that the final design is reliable, functional, and aligned with the organization's quality objectives, right?
Mhm.
Next, after design process, we will discuss conformance design, right? Are you with me?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm listening. I
Okay,
don't know
okay.
when you're asking me or not, so I just want to make sure.
Okay, that's all. In a QMS, conformance design ensures that products or services adhere to the specifications and requirements set during the design phase. This involves verifying that all design criteria are met through rigorous, or like you can say rigorous testing, inspections, and reviews. It ensures that the final output aligns with the intent, that align with the intended design, meeting quality standards and customer expectations as well, right? Next, we will talk about responsibility and reliability. How about you can say responsibility
Responsibility, yeah.
and reliability as well.
Reliability.
I can say that in a QMS, responsibility involves clearly defining roles and accountability for quality related tasks across the organization. Reliability refers to consistently meeting quality standards and requirements through effective processes and controls, ensuring that everyone understand their responsibilities and that processes are reliable helps maintain high quality and foster trust with customers, right?
Mhm.
How about in-process testing, the next phase? So in process testing, if I'll explain it into the point concept, you can say that in process testing with the QMS, it involves evaluating products through evaluating products or services at various stages of production to ensure they meet quality standards and specifications. This testing helps identify and address issues early, preventing defects from reaching the final product. It ensures continuous monitoring and control, contributing to our overall quality and consistency, right?
Mhm.
Next options we have final testing. Then we will talk about documentation. So final testing means final testing in a QMS involves evaluating the completed product or service against all specified requirements and standards, right, before release. This comprehensive assessment ensures that all final outputs meet quality expectations and that is free from defects. It serves as the last checkpoints to confirm compliance and reliability before delivery to the customer, right?
Mhm.
Give me 1 minute. I have to say something to my brother, then I will come back to
Okay.
you. ये पासपोर्ट लेगा उसका फोटो स्टेट से उसे क्या इसका सेंड करना है मैंने फात को रात को सुबह का लेट होने उसको भी सेंड करना है बात सुन ले ऊपर से जल्दी कर ला दे मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे करवाई सेंड हाउ मच वो है जिसके पास जा रहा है उस तरह का ही उसने उतनी मांग लेने हैं 20 40 60 80 90 100 स्कैन पता है ना ऐसे और वैसे दोनों डबल साइड और मुझे व्हाट्सएप करवा दी सेंड मैं 15 वाले नंबर पे सेंड करवाई व्हाट्सएप पे बात सुन उसे की डॉक्यूमेंट बना के सेंड करे तस्वीर वैसे ना सेंड करे स्कैन मैं कह रहा हूँ तू कह रहा है उसे की डॉक्यूमेंट बना के सेंड करे ओके आई कैम बैक
Okay. Yes.
Okay, I apologize because I have to apply my visa tomorrow on urgent basis for my Dubai tour.
Oh.
So I just asked my brother to take my passport to the photocopier and I need some scanned copies for that
Oh,
so that I
okay.
can apply for my visa.
Well, good luck with
All
that.
right. Okay, let's continue.
Okay.
So next, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Documentation. We're gonna talk about documentations in the case of QMS. So how I can summarize documentation, I'll let you know. Documentation, by the way, after that we will talk about audit activity as well. Documentation in a QMS includes all written records and procedures that define control and support quality management activities. This encompasses quality policies, process descriptions, work instructions, and records of compliance and performance as well, right?
Mhm.
Because proper documentation ensures consistency, traceability, and effective communication of quality practices within the organization, right?
Mhm.
Next, and we have audit activity. How about audit activity? All these things I'm explaining one by one so that you can admire it.
I'm admiring it. Thank you.
Are you admiring everything?
I am.
Great, great. I will take feedback at the end of the session. I hope you will be very satisfied and very happy as well. Audit activity involves systematic examination of internal audits to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements.
Hello. I think I might have lost you. Hello. Hello.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Okay, can you see my screen?
I can.
Okay, there was network breach. That's why we got disconnect for a few seconds. So audit
Okay.
activity in a QMS involves systematically examining processes, procedures, and records to ensure compliance with quality standards and regulations. Because this includes internal audits to identify areas for improvement and external audits for certification or regulatory compliance. Because effective audits help maintain quality, address non-conformities, and drive continuous improvements. Got it?
Hmm.
Next, next option that we're gonna have to discuss here in conceptual things, which is training activity. How about training activity? I'll summarize it within 2 3 lines, within few concepts, right? So by the way, training activity, and we have, let me see all the options we have for facilities and equipments, right? We have suppliers and contractors. Okay, very less option is left. Okay, give me a few seconds. Let me check my
Okay.
device. It's giving me yellow signal once again.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. All right. Training activities. So now we're gonna talk about training activities, right?
Hmm.
Training activity in a QMS involves providing employees with the knowledge and skills needed to perform their roles effectively and meet quality standards. This includes onboarding, ongoing training, and competency assessments to ensure that the staff understand the adheres to quality procedures. Proper training support consistency, quality, enhances performance, and fosters a culture continuous improvements, right?
Hmm.
This is all about, we have discussed about training. And next we have facilities and equipment and suppliers and contractors. They are also the part of this thing, right? So after that we have processes. What is process? What is process? So definition that has already been mentioned over there. Process means a set or arrangements of activities that involve the use of resources to generate a product or service, you can say, right? So like transformation of inputs or inputs to outputs, operational in its function and control. You understand?
Hmm.
It's all about process. Where does quality begins? So quality begins, like take a Juran definition, fitness for intending that we have discussed before. Quality starts with the customer, like who are my customers? What do they want? Can I make it? How can I make it? How can I exceed their specification and delight them with my product or service, you can say. This is all about quality starts with the customers. Got it?
Hmm.
Design quality. Designs are plans to meet specifications as determined by the client. So specifications are required to draw up the contracts. By the way, you can mention provide measurement systems and protection that is given to the organization that they are less likely to generate material that doesn't conform to client requirements. Got it? It's all about design quality. So in design quality, you can also consider, like, if I'll talk about design quality, I will give you a few concepts regarding design quality here. In design quality, you can mention, if with bullets, if I'll let you know, you can say that design quality in a QMS refers to the process to ensuring that products or services meet quality standards and customers' requirements from the initial design stage, right? So it involves defining design criteria, you can say criteria, and conducting through evaluations and reviews and implementations controls to verify that design outputs align with the intended specifications. Got it?
Mhm.
Also, you can say that effective design quality management ensures that the final product is reliable, functional, and capable of fulfilling its intended purposes as well. It's all about design quality that we have discussed about it. All clear? Do you have any question regarding it?
No.
Great. Design quality specifications we have discussed. So here we have few questions that you can mention over there. For a specification to function you need who is involved in the process. So what requirements need to be satisfied? What are exact deliverables? What standards will the process and products be judged against, right? How will deviations be handled, and what are the critical success factors involved? All these things, they are the power of design quality specifications. All good.
Okay.
How about design and knowledge? The specification is dependent upon having definite knowledge of what are the inputs, what transformation processes involved, what are the outputs, and what comprises the control system. I would like to give you a little introduction about design and knowledge in my known self, in my known words as well. Like design and knowledge, what is the relation between them? So in a QMS, the interplay between design and knowledge involves using enterprise and information to ensure that the design process meets quality standards. How about design? How about knowledge? Design means incorporates systematic planning, development, and validation of products, or you can say services, to ensure they meet specified requirements and customer needs. Got it?
Mhm.
Whereas if I'll talk about knowledge, knowledge means utilizes technical expertise, industry best practices, and historical data to inform design decisions, optimize processes, and prevent issues as well. So integrating design with the comprehensive knowledge ensures that products are well conceived before full-scale production. This process helps identify right,
Mhm.
efficient and agile with quality objectives from the outset. So this is all about the relationship between it's the relationship between design and knowledge. Got it?
Mhm.
Prototyping. How about what is prototyping, by the way? Do you have any idea about it?
Mm, yeah, we just call it testing, I think.
Great. Okay. So part of the design phase to debug the product. All right. Debugging means tracking. Like in IT system, when I provide networking training, in networking training we have the concept of debugging. Debugging means if you have multiple pathways to send your information to the destination, so which pathway your data is using to reach the destination, this is called debugging, right? So in QMS, prototyping involves creating preliminary variants of a product or service to test and validate design concepts before full-scale production. This process helps identify potential issues, gather feedbacks, and make necessary adjustments to ensure that the final product meets quality standards and customer requirements. because prototyping reduces the risk of defects, improves design accuracy, and support effective decision making throughout the development phase. So you can also consider test robustness of the design, test acceptability against customer standards, and test manufacturability. Got it? It's all
Mhm.
about prototype and involve the client as well.
Okay.
Background rationale. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay. The QMS exists to ensure that quality is designed into the product, ensure that quality is built into the product, ensure that processes are fit and controlled. So if I'll let you know about background, I'll give a little introduction about it in my own words, like how about background rationale in the regard of QMS. So by the way, the background rationale in a QMS that explains the reasons and context for implementing quality management practices within an organization, right?
Mhm.
It outlines the need for a structured approach to managing quality, driven by factors such as regulatory requirements, customer expectations, market competitiveness, and the desire for continuous improvement. Because this rationale provides a foundation for the QMS framework, ensuring that quality objectives align with organizational goals and stakeholder needs. It's all about background rationales. Got it?
Mhm.
Mm. Components of QMS. So in the components, we have quality policy, procedures,
Okay.
specifications, record, and people. Do you have any question?
No. Sorry.
All right. Okay. Am I going with suitable speed, or should I decrease my speed, or I think is
No,
it
you're
not
fine.
fast?
I'm
Okay,
doing
I'm
good.
fine.
Mhm.
All right. Fine, fine. Okay. So by the way, like it's a 7 to 8 hour session, so no worries, we have a lot of time. This training can be finished in 7 hours. It can be finished in 8 hours, right? Not
Okay.
maybe not in 8 hours because it's a short training. So maybe it can be finished in 7 hours, right?
Mhm. Okay. I'm open either way. I got 8 hours available.
What are you saying?
I said I have 8 hours available, but if we do seven, that's totally fine. Either way.
Yes, okay. Because it's short training, you are intelligent, so you
Oh,
can
thanks.
complete it in 7 hours.
Okay.
You can also manage things as well.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine. So now I will give you a few questions that we have done, right?
Okay.
Again, components of QMS, forget about it.
We're not doing that one. Okay.
Background, rationale,
Mhm.
you will do that, which is question one. And question two, let me arrange questions for you. Oh, yes, prototyping. This is a very important question. Question number two, prototyping. Whereas now we're gonna type question three, which is design and knowledge relationship, right? Question number four, which is specification, design and quality. I'm not talking about specification. You can talk about design and quality. Okay. And question number five, you can talk about where does quality begin, where does quality end. Should give this answer as well? This is a question.
I'm sorry, but can you
Whatever it
re-ask
comes
it?
into your mind.
Okay.
I just asked, should I give this question or not? You can just attempt
Okay.
this question, whatever comes into your mind, you can just attempt that, right?
Okay.
And that's fine. That's fine. Process is what is process? This is a very general question. This training is quite general, right? I like it. And scope and content of QMS. Scope and content. Should I give or not? Okay.
It's up to you.
Okay, I can give. Yes, yes,
Okay.
I'm giving. What's coming to your mind, you can mention this. And by the way, I'm not going to give you the assignment right now. We will go through with few more slides. Then I will give you long assignment only for the one.
Okay. So I'm not
Right.
answering it yet,
Not
right?
long assignment, like yes, yes, yes. I will
Okay.
arrange few more questions. Like I have arranged 7 questions, so I'll give you at least 12 to 15 questions, right?
Oh wow. Okay.
Okay. Components of QMS. Components of the QMS, main components of the QMS work together to allow the organization to manage the quality of people, products, processes, right? This is they are the 3 components. So in the consistent, replicable, and standardized manner, I explained the components before in my known words as well. You remember that?
Mhm.
Okay. The quality policy. This thing we will talk. Quality policy we already discussed. So in the key elements, we have organizational structure for quality with roles and responsibilities identified, technical, economical impacts on quality, how the QMS will operate, how suppliers will require to meet standards. So what is technical or economical impacts on quality? This thing I would like to explain you because this is a good thing to explain. Technical, or you can say economical, right?
Mhm.
All these impacts, if I will differentiate on the quality about each, so you can say that technical impacts. What is technical impacts? In technical impacts, we have innovation and efficiency and complexity and ability. So innovation and efficiency means advances in technology can enhance quality by improving product design, manufacturing processes, and quality control methods, right? Whereas
Mhm.
complexity and reliability means new technologies. Give me 1 minute. My brother is messaging to me.
Okay.
Give me 1 minute just.
Okay.
I'm calling to my brother. He is at photocopier. Assalamualaikum. Hello. ओ, उसको डॉक्यूमेंट है ना, तो बस एक पीएनजी फाइल बना के सेंड कर दे, पीएनजी व्हाट्सएप पे. अच्छा चल ठीक है. अच्छा चल ठीक है. ओके भाई. Okay, I came back. I came back. Okay,
Okay.
technical, and we are talking about this thing, right?
Mhm.
Technical and economical impact on quality. So innovative and efficiency. That's a technical impact. Advances in technology can enhance quality by improving design, manufacturing processes, and quality control methods, right? Also, you
Mhm.
can consider complexity and reliability in technical impact. So complexity and reliability means new technologies.
Hello. Hello?
Can you hear me?
Now I can hear you.
Okay. Economic economical impacts. Here you can discuss cost management and return on investment. Return on investment means ROI, right? So
Hmm.
cost management, investing in quality management practices can lead to cost savings by reducing defects, rework, and returns, improving overall cost efficiency. Whereas return on investments, you can consider like high quality products and services can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty, potentially leading to increased market share and revenue, which justifies the investment in quality initiatives, right? So balancing technical advancements with economic considerations helps ensure that quality improvements are both effective and sustainable. Got it?
Got it.
Next, quality policy. So in the next policy, we have key elements. We have how client needs and perceptions will be identified, communication and staff involved, right? QMS and maintenance activities as well. You understand?
Hmm.
So these things that we have here. Okay, wait for a while. For just okay. We talked about maintenance activities. We talked about QMS styles as well, right?
Hmm.
All these things that we have discussed before. Okay, now I'm gonna arrange questions for you.
Okay.
The quality policy, basic quality questions. So here, in the basic quality question, is the process in control? Is our test inspection method working? So how about is process in control? I'll give you little answer about it. I will give you all the answers, right? They are general questions. Okay. So first question that is the process in control? I will give its answer in regarding to according to QMS codes. Like in a QMS, determining if a process is in control involves monitoring and analyzing performance data to ensure it remains within defined limits and consistently meets quality standards. Control charts and regular audits help verify that processes are stable and operating as intended, right?
Hmm.
So it is all about this thing. Next question that is our test or inspection method working? Like if I'll ask you, or if somebody asks, like if is our inspection, you can say inspection
You're breaking up.
method, is it working or not? So you can say that to determine. Can you hear me?
Now I can. It was breaking up a little bit.
Can you hear me?
It's breaking up every other word.
Hello, can you hear me?
Now I can hear you.
Okay, I came back. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Excuse me.
Is it still better? Is it better now or
It's better.
again?
It's better.
Coffee. Is it better?
Now you're breaking up.
Okay, that's fine. So second question is our method to determine. Okay, let me restart my device. I will come
Okay.
back in 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, I hope now it will work fine.
Okay, perfect. Now I can hear you.
Okay, that's fine. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So second question is our inspection method working? So the answer is to determine if the inspection method is working in a QMS, analyze inspection results and defect rates to ensure that the method effectively identifies and prevents non-conformities, right? Or you can say regular reviews and calibration of inspection tools also help confirm the method accuracy and reliability as well. Got it?
Yep.
Third question can be like, are we measuring things? So how about this thing? Like, if I say, are we measuring? That's so it means in the case of QMS, verifying if the right things are being measured involves ensuring that measurement metrics align with quality objectives and customer requirements. Reviews and alignments of key performance indicators, which is KPIs, with desired outcomes, confirm that the metrics effectively support quality management goals. You know that KPI?
Mhm.
This is our right question for you. For next assignment, you will explain KPIs, right? And I will arrange next question. We will arrange person after reviewing 10 to 15 more slides. What this is a thing that in the general view you can consider their question and their answers as well, right?
Mhm.
People and the QMS. First of all, I'll let you know the link between people and QMS. Then we will talk about people and quality, right?
Mhm.
People and QMS, if we will talk about its relationship in short ways, you can say that this relationship, the relationship between people and the quality management system, that is vital as employees are key to implementing and maintaining quality standards, right? So we have training competence. It means ensuring that employees are well trained and competent in their roles, understanding quality requirements and process as well. Second, we have engagement and accountability. It means encouraging active participation and ownership of quality practices, which drives continuous improvement and adherence to quality standards, right? So by fostering a culture where people are knowledgeable and engaged, a QMS can achieve consistent, high quality outcomes and enhance overall organizational performance. It's all about people and the QMS. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
How about people and quality? So people and quality. If we will talk about this thing, like if I'll summarize people and quality, the things. People in the organization, they must be concerned about quality. They must be their impact upon quality. They must work within the QMS for their organization. They must strive for continuous improvements as well, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I will explain you a little bit about people and quality. You can say you can summarize it in like few words. You can say that in QMS, the relationship between people and quality is fundamental, right? So you can discuss few points like you can say employee involvement. Employee involvement means employees at all levels contribute to quality by following procedures, providing feedback, and participating in continuous improvement efforts. Their engagement and adherence to quality standards are crucial for achieving consistent results, right?
Mm-hmm.
Second thing you can consider skill development. Skill development means training and development ensures that staff have necessary skills and knowledge to perform their roles and roles effectively, directly impacting and quality of products. So QMS in principle guiding standards and fostering a culture of quality throughout the organization. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next, people need to be trained in quality. This is enhanced by having senior management focus on quality as a business driver, exposure to the user of the product or service, and to feedback on quality levels, having quality as a cultural pillar within the organization as opposed to being classed as nice to have, right? This is regarding people and quality. Also, if I'll explain more about people and quality. For enduring focus on quality, there needs to be, you can say, uh, the relationship between people and quality in that is intricate and pivotal to the system success, right? So we have few options here. You can say employee involvement. Employee involvement means responsibility and accountability. It means employees are responsible for executing quality processes and adhering to standards. Their commitment to quality affects product or service outcomes and overall performance as well. You can also talk about feedback and improvement. Feedback and improvement means employees provide valuable insights into process insufficiencies and quality issues because actively involved in feedback mechanisms help identify problems and foster continuous improvements as well. Second option you can consider skill development, right? In skill development, you can go through with training programs and competence as well. Training programs means regular training ensures that the employees understand quality standards, roles in maintaining quality. This is crucial for reducing error and enhancing